Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain you the bubble sort algorithm. So how does it work? Let's understand with an example. So here's an array of numbers. Now we are going to compare the first two numbers, 7 and 4. Now as you can see, 4 is smaller than 7, we are going to swap those two. We get a new array, 4, 7, 5, 1, 3, 2. Now we are going to do the same for the next two numbers, 7 and 5. 5 is smaller than 7, we are going to swap those two. We get a new array, 4, 5, 7, 1, 3, 2. We are going to do this multiple times until we get the sorted array. Let's move on to the code. So here's our main function, our array, a bubble sort call, and a print array. Now swap declaration and a bubble sort function. Now we are going to run a for loop for the n times some length and for n minus I. Now here's a conditional statement for comparing the number and the swap statement. Now we are going to compile and run a program. Compiling. Now the output is a sorted array, as you can see here in the console.